Ever feel like you're drowning in notes during important client meetings, missing key details while trying to keep up with the conversation? As the lead virtual assistant for a real estate group in Arizona, I lead our team meetings every Monday where we discuss updates on coming soon listings, which properties went under contract, and so much more. Fathom has been a game changer for me.
Fathom is a free app that records, transcribes, and summarizes your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls.
With its cutting-edge auto-transcription feature, it helps me stay focused on the meeting instead of being bogged down, taking down notes. Imagine starting your meetings fully prepared, armed with insights into client preferences and past interaction. Fathom captures every word of your call with precision. Not only does it record the conversation, but it also highlights crucial topics and important action items in a concise summary.
If you missed the meeting, you can catch up on the latest updates through the auto-generated call summary. Colleagues can share the entire meeting or specific snippets via Google Docs, Notion, Word, or even Slack. When you copy content from Fathom AI, it lands fully formatted, saving you time and effort. Fathom can also log your call and its summary to your CRM. Fathom isn't just about saving time, it's about ensuring nothing slips through the cracks, enhancing follow-up efficiency, and ultimately closing more deals. And that is just the beginning. When you upgrade to Fathom's team plan, you can centralize all your team's meeting data and ensure that everyone is on the same page, literally.
Plus, Fathom seamlessly integrates with Zapier, allowing you to automate your workflows by sending meeting transcripts, recordings, and action items to your preferred app. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur, a dedicated virtual assistant, or a seasoned real estate agent, Fathom is your all-in-one solution for mastering client meetings. Don't let valuable insights slip away. Simplify your workflow, boost your productivity, and take control of your meetings with Fathom. Ready to transform how you manage client meetings? Click the link below and get access to my referral codes for 3 months of Fathom Premium for free.
Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on freelancing.